Good evening, student. How are you all? Fine. Today we will be learning logo. What is logo? Logo is a computer programming language. Logo stands for logic oriented, graphics oriented. To learn logo, we need to install a software called MSW Logo, which has been provided you through the resources. So please install Logo before we work it on, because as soon as we will be working, we need to do some hands-on practice. So our chapter name is Working with the Logo Turtle. This is our first chapter. To start logo, we need to click on Start button and then Microsoft Windows logo. This we need to install beforehand. So you can click on this one, or if you have shortcut on the screen, you can double click on that shortcut also. So double click on the desktop shortcut and these options will appear. Click on OK. Now once you are clicking on OK, you will be getting this area, this windows. You can see here a small triangle. This triangle is called Logo Turtle. So our chapter name was what? Working with Logo Turtle. So that means in this chapter, we will be making this turtle to work. We will learn the command by which this turtle will move. Before we start, we need to know the screen nicely. This is command area where you can give command. This is called recall list box. This is called recall list box. Whatever command you are writing, it will be displaying here, so that if you want to reuse any command, you can reuse it. Now this is the working area where turtle works. Turtle, where we can use the turtle and we can draw some symbols. Now, to draw the symbols, we need to instruct the turtle to go. As if you want to draw a straight line, I need to tell the turtle, please go and draw it. These are called logo command or logo primitives. So what is primitives? Primitives are the logo command which instruct turtle to do some work. Now we will be seeing how it works. This is actually the main screen. So logo has, while you are opening this logo has two major parts. One is the main screen, which one is a working area of turtle. And this part, this entire part is commander window. And commander window has two parts. First part is called command input box. Command input box. And another, the big areas you can see, this part is called recall list box. Recall list box. Okay. Now, this is the center of main screen. The center of main screen is turtle's home. Turtle's home is center of the main screen. So whenever you open a new file, you will find Turtle at the center. That means whenever you create a new file, Turtle will be at its own home. Now we will be learning some command to make the turtle move and create some figures. What kind of figures we can create in Logo? We draw some route map, we draw some straight lines, we can draw some geometric shape, we can draw different shape using Logo. Only thing is that we need to apply the commands or primitives in a proper way. We will be now seeing how we will do it. First command which we will be writing, that is called forward command. So first command which we will be learning, that is forward. Forward means you are instructing your turtle to move forward. Now, if I say only forward, the next question will come, how much? So we have to tell 8 steps. Forward 50, forward 100. Where we have to write this command? We have to write each and every Logo command on command input box. So first command which we are learning, the forward, let us see how it is working. We will be clicking here forward, we'll be writing forward, then a space. Do not forget to give space between command and the steps. We need to give a space. Forward 100. That means I'm instructing my turtle to move 100 steps. See, this is the fun of this turtle. Whenever it moves, like if we move from some places, our footsteps will be there. Same way, when turtle is moving, it will leave some line. It will be creating some line. This is the way. And again, I want to make my turtle to move little more up. Let's say 50. So again, I will be giving command forward 50. So now all together, turtle have moved 150 steps. Now I want to draw a line so that I can draw a nice box. So what I have to do? Now to make the turtle turn, because see, this is turtle head, this point where this triangle, the first point, this point is called turtle's head, and this lower part of the turtle is called tail. So now turtle is turning in this way. I want a right turn. What will be the command? Right turn. I want to turn the command. So this is the fun over here. Whatever you want to do, almost similar kind of English, you have to use as a command. The commands are already predefined. We need to learn those commands to instruct our turtle. So to turn right, the command is right. How much right? It is a state. The way that it will turn full. So it is 90. We will be writing the command right 90. Now see, turtle has already turned. Now I want to draw a rectangle. So now I want to move till this much. Let's say maybe 100. So again, I will be giving which command? Forward. Forward 100. Done. Now again, I want to turn my turtle. How I will turn it? Same command. Right 90. So you need to use command, same commands repeatedly. Whatever you want to do the things, you may need to use the same command more than one time in your drawing. Next, I want again the line. How much this entire line is? How much this entire line is? This is, first I have taken 100 and after that 150. So entire, how much steps? It is 150 steps. So what we will be doing? We'll moving forward the turtle till how much? 150. So again I will write forward 150, 150 and press enter. So it came. Now again I need to turn the turtle. How I will turn it? Right 90. It's already turned. Now what is the length of this? Because these will be the same. This one and this one are the same distance. It is a rectangle. For rectangle, these two hands and these two hands are equal in length, and these two hands are equal in length. Now this means this is the same steps, and these are the same steps. So how many steps I need to go? I need to go 100, because here also I have used 100. Forward 100. So our, now I want to see only rectangles. See, this turtle is creating an obstacle for me, so I want to hide it. What will be the command? Hide turtle. So now I want to hide the turtle. The command is hide turtle. Turtle. See, now the square rectangle is looking nice. Again, if I want to see, or again anything else I want to draw, I need to get back this turtle. What is this command? The command is show turtle. Enter. So now my turtle is back. Now I want to clear the screen. Clear the screen. For that also we have command. We will be, before we learn this command, we like to say you that every command has its own shortcut. Forward command can be written in a short process of FD. Right can be written as RT. High turtle can be written as HT. Show turtle can be written in ST. We have many more commands. Rest of the commands we will be learning to our next session. So what are the commands you have learned today? You have learned forward. The short form is FD. Right. Short form is RT. Then we have learned, okay. Then we are having forward FD, right RT. Then we have learned show turtle or hide turtle. HT and show turtle. ST. See, these commands, these primitives are not case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? Means I can write in any form. Either I can write in capital, or we can write it in small, or mix of capital and small, whatever way we want to write it, right. But remember that where I have given space, like I have written forward 100. There I have given one space. So you have to use in this way, space need to be given. So everyone has learned the, so isn't the logo is very interesting? Yes, it is interesting. We will be learning more commands in our next session. Till then, thank you.